absolutely peeing it down again. It's been like this all day. And a lot of yesterday as well. We moved from Elia yesterday, now down the coast a bit, past Filiatra, but north of Romanos and Gialuva, which was a place that we used to go all the time, but not allowed to go there anymore. And this is a nice bit, sort of. I mean, it's a bit run down, but nice beach. The sea is lovely to watch, but neither me or the dogs want to go out in it. They've been out a couple of times. Say hello, puppies. Take them out, they just want to come back in, especially Ella Moo. You don't want to go anywhere. Blue doesn't care, she'd go out and play in the water. Milo doesn't like it. Harry isn't keen. And I'm not keen. So we're staying in. Don't know what the weather's like in the UK, is it any better?